Good Thursday morning, July the 2nd, 2026. Back with the Livewire this morning. We had some news at 8:30. So all that activity has gone past and the markets have just now opened up. Let's see where we go today. I am using the Livewire and Simple Market Metrics today. So watching for momentum on both of them. Confirmation taken between the two. Let me show the Simple Market Metrics real quick here. So that's what we're seeing since the open. Look at an upward movement back and forth. So we're going to be looking at some of this as triggers to get into the trades on the live wire. So between the two of them, we look at them both today. Getting some upward movement now. Let me see what we get going here. I'm going to take that. We lift it off here. We got green candle showing up on the Simple Market Metrics. So let's see if this can run a little bit. Both charts are showing a lot of wicks top and bottom like we're seeing here. I may not wait for crosses today. Take gains where I see it. Because we've all this sideways movement at the open, that means we got people fighting back and forth. Who's the bulls or the bears going to take over control? I'm starting to see a couple red candles kick in on the Simple Market Metrics. I am going to close that out before it comes all the way down. And it would have come down and hit. I would have not it closed there, let the bounce happen, but we did close below the bar. So trade one is a win. So let me show Simple Market Metrics real quick to show you what the trade was that we took. I got in on the upward movement here and rode it to there. Should have got out when this happened here, but I didn't. But I could see that happening, coming back down again. So we get for a little gain. I'm not recommending you to do counter trend trades, but this one is heading down. I am going to get into it and see where we go, because we're starting to hit a lot of red right now on the Simple Market Metrics. It's going way down. So I'm looking for the bounce to get out. I'm not going to wait for the line today, just because I'm already seeing a lot of sideways movement. We ran into that yesterday, and it could be because there's a lot of people not trading like they normally do. We got a green candle. I'm going to get up because I have a green candle on the Simple Market Metrics, and we have upward movement here. Let me show the Simple Market Metrics chart to show you what I was getting into. Like I said, I use both charts to help me make better decisions and trades. And as you can see, this is what I saw. I saw the downward movement coming down. That was an iffy candle there. Then we saw it come down and I got out as the bounce. So I did not get it out at the low, but it started moving up again. And we see now it's still going sideways, going back and forth again. So I guess as we get close to the July 4th holiday here, things are going to be some rough riding. We have some strong upward movement, but I don't want to get in this late. We could have got on the Simple Market Metrics, we could have got in right in here. As you see here, we're getting the blue going up, but it's already starting to come back down again. Okay, this is going to be an interesting day. May not be a long trading day for me today either. If it's going to continue to go up and down, makes it a little bit harder to trade the live wire, because you technically are scalping. As they say, hindsight's always 20/20. This would be an ideal trade. But after coming out of this, by the time you got on the blue, been too late. And this is a good little runner right here, but we did not get in there. Looking back over the chart here for the last roughly 15 minutes or so, yes, we could have had a couple of movements here, but it's just a lot of sideways movement today. Yes, this would have been an ideal trade, but you had the yellow line in there. The blue comes in here, and we can really go sideways. Had a little bit of a takeoff there, but we can see the line has been staying pretty consistent here. Now we're above the line, under the line, a lot of. So we're just very careful watch. Do have a lot of red coming in on the simple market metrics. We've got a lot of red here as well. Do I want to take a trade? I am going to take that trade just because we've got a lot of red playing in. It may not pan out. It may not be a good trade, but we're going to see what it does. We do have the yellow coming in now with the yellow, with the red lines. So this is a downward move. With all this back and forth, sometimes you just got to have something to push it in one direction or the other. And obviously, the bears have come in now to bring it down. Like I said, I'm not going to be waiting for the line to cross just because of all the sideways movement here. When I start seeing sideways movement, that's when I'm going to be getting out. It's gone back to a red candle, but we're seeing the sideways movement even on the live wire. So I am going to get out of this trade right there. Let me show you the simple market metrics real quick to show you what I'm seeing here. Yes, it's still going down, but got in right there. And we got out right there, that long candle right there. Yes, it's still going down, but like I said, you got to trade what you see, and you have to understand the market flow as well. On the simple market metrics, this is all starts off, the red has turned, and we hit the green here, and the green ran it all the way up to there, and then now it's coming back down. But I'm trading Livewire today, focusing on that primarily. These hollow candles are kind of iffy to be trading to count on them. Yes, we saw momentum. Yes, I've taken some trades that are not traditional Kelly and Livewire trading. We're starting to go back down again. Let me see here if I want to take this. Simple market metrics is definitely showing red. I'm going to take it because it looks like it's going to continue to go down. We've had red, yellow under yellow again with the red. Right now, we're a little bit of a game. Let's see how far we can go. If it starts going sideways again, we're going to get out. I'm not expecting long runs today. Continuing to go down on both charts. I'm going to get out. It's starting to go sideways again. Let me get out. That's trade number 4. Looking at the simple market metrics, we see in the last 10 minutes slowly moving down. So that may be an indicator that we do have some sell-off going on in the market. Heading back down again. Sideways movement though. Not too anxious to get into a trade. We're up 160 points. Oh yes, that would have been a great little run. Oh, look at all these. Volume is changing, the struggle going on here. And I just missed it. This is what got me thinking about it, not realizing there was a little pullback and off it goes. But hey, that's trading. Matter of fact, since it's heading into a holiday weekend, I may go ahead and stop. Yes, it's 10:28, sideways movement, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and stop. We're up 161 points, $322. We basically have double what we did yesterday, and I'm okay with that. So y'all have a wonderful July 4th weekend. We'll catch you next week. I'm sure we'll be trading something. And with that, that is a wrap.
Thank you all for watching our trading activity today. We plan on posting 2 or 3 videos a week to demonstrate the simple market metrics and the Livewire trading indicators. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video.